Happy Monday! It's the 25th of November. Oh my God. Ang tagal ko mga ilang araw kung di nag-vlog. So, anyway, si Riker nasa taas pa, nakikita niya. Lunchbox sa ate. Ate's here. I don't know where we're going today, but pa-gym clothes tayo. So baka mag-walking kami. Where'd you get your airplane?
And you put it on and then the one in there.
Oh, you smell nice.
Oh, Mommy.
Breakfast
Mommy, I want to know the circle.
Oh, your circle. Okay. Breakfast now. You say hello. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
How are you? Biglang subo. You're so funny, Riker. I say, guys, I didn't wet the bed tonight. That was so good. 2 nights in a row, hindi siya nag-wet ng bed. Such a good boy. Coffee.
Mommy, juice, wait. Apple juice.
No water. You have to have water this morning.
No.
In the morning, you have to have water.
Why not that one?
We're out of juice. Sorry. We're out of juice.
Mom, where's the apple juice?
No more. Hold on.
Apple juice!
Hala. Mama said all done. Pasok na si ate, guys. Oh, diba? Julie na magdangal yan. Yung pa kanyang pa-hair clip. Binigyan na Tita Ruby niya galing Philippines. Ang cute, diba? Ayan, guys. Nadala pa namin si ate. Nandito na naman kami sa traffic light. Ito yung favorite niya. Hello, katong bata ko. Oh.
Michael, come on. Sit down in here now.
Okay, can you sit down now? Good morning.
Mommy.
What is it today? Happy Tuesday.
Mommy.
Yes, Riker.
Mommy. It's today Monday? It's yucky.
What's yucky?
It's yucky thing.
Oh, that's okay.
And what is the bean?
Okay.
The most yucky.
Today, Monday, Tuesday.
Tuesday today, ate. Oh, yung ano niya. Yung front niya.
Ay, sorry, baby.
Sorry. Okay, now.
Fish.
Can you go sit down now? Because you're gonna have breakfast. Or you can have breakfast at school if you want.
I remember breakfast here, Riker. Sa school.
Meron. Here. Sit down.
Maybe.
Ayun, kain po.
Summer.
Sobrang gutom si Rio.
Good job. You have school today.
Why is that?
That's the car. I have to put the bean out tonight. Can you remind
Hindi
Mom?
ako akong damit na.
Yeah, if it's dry now.
Damit siya.
Oh, is the basket there? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nagasampay na kami sa labas kasi mainit na. Hindi ko pala natuloy yung vlog ko kahapon. I don't know why. Pumunta lang kasi kami kay Mother. Kakaloka.
Mommy, I'm strawberry.
Parang, oh, you share to your brother, please.
going?
What's the matter with you, Mac?
It's school day. It's really school day.
Which one you wanna wear then?
It's really nice shoes.
Bagay kayo. Ha?
Bagay naman yun sa tapos.
Okay, we'll leave him then.
Bye! We're going.
Ay, otherwise, wrong foot ate. Sorry. Good girl.
Bye, Raka. See you later. Alligator.
Ate's here at school now, guys. So we'll drop Riker next. Ang aga niya maglaro dyan sa sandpit nila. May sandpit sila dito. Ang dami kasi nilang playground dito, guys. So, ayan. Kaya yung sapatos niya pag umuwi siya, punong-puno ng sand. Anyway, she's happy. May swimming din naman sila mamaya. So, mag-wash off din yan. Hindi pa nag-ring yung bell eh. So, hindi pa ako makaalis. Ayan. Kaya basayang kasi merong bomba dun. Oh, ayan. So, ayan. Ayan silang patubig dyan. Here guys, nandito na pala kami sa Marian. Kanina pa. Hi ate. Ate, di tayo narinig. Lunch na tayo. Kanina pa kami dito. Alas 10 na. Yeah. Alas 12 na guys. Wala naman kami na shopping. Ako yung isa.
ko pa si ano.
Nag-ano lang kami. May Sephora na pala dito eh. So, nag-try lang kami ng perfume. Ano yun? Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro. Ang bang ng Sol de Janeiro. Na ano, body cream. Kasi wala na silang Bath and Body Works dito. Pero ang bang niya guys, i-try. Parang gusto kong bilhin. Anyway. Nag-picture din ako ng mga kailangan kong bilhin for the kids. Para sa kanilang Christmas presents. And kahapon nakabili na ako ng regalo kay Ben. So may mga bibilhin pa ako niya. Tarap ng side dish nila dito. Hindi pa na-try nga ni Ate Zoe dito. So nag-order ako niya and then hello me. Hindi nila sinayos?
So, ano sila regular price ng mga foundation?
Dapat Black Friday.
Diba? No.
Sa US lang siguro.
Kaya nga.
Yeah, ang ganda ng foundation din.
Ang daming ano, chili garlic.
Sarap. Zoe,
Anong sauce to? Yan. Bebe.
kain ka na.
Rough ko siya guys.
Ikain mo lang yan.
Tsaka kasi nang tinuturo niya sa pato.
Sabi nga sa amin, hindi nyo kasi, style ko kasi yun.
Sarap. Diba? Sabay pa tayo. Ano to? Anong sauce ng white na to?
Ang sarap ng sauce niya, saka
Sarap
yung
din
garlic
ba to?
niya. Wala.
Agad inuubos ko na yung chili garlic mo sa bahay para mapalitan na siya.
Ito na yun. To share na yung in-order namin. Kasi kami tatlo lang. So that one, and then yung kanilang halloumi. Ang sarap ng sauce din neto. Para siyang relish na ano eh, sauce, no?
Yeah.
Sarap ng bakal yun.
Natry ko itong ano. Try ko yung extra hot. Because I like spicy. Oh my God. That's one of the
Yeah, guys, nasundo na namin si Harley. Now we're here at Costco. Kasi wala na tayong mga laundry. So, si Si Riker, mamaya na namin alas 5 yung pick-upin. Full day siya today. Yan. Isa din sa reason bakit pumunta kami ng Costco. Kasi ito, nag-viral siya. So, gusto namin tikman. Ang cute niya eh, kasi sorbet siya na nasa prutas mismo. Like yung coconut.
Ulas na natin.
Ha? Pwede ba natin kainin yan? Di ba may spoon yan?
Bawal tayo kumain dito, dahil.
Cute din! May piña colada, meron
Ayan, ito gusto ko.
grapefruit, orange, and lemon.
Lemon.
So, yung nasa lemon talaga siya.
Yeah, yung ano niya.
Oo.
Gusto na tayo. Oo, talaga.
Napagod sa swimming.
Kawawa naman yung aking estudyante.
Oo nga eh.
Pagod na siya.
Nag-enjoy sa shopping mga to.
Yung mga teta, yung mga ate, to, enjoy pa. Ito, pagod na siya.
Susundo pa tayo.
Guys, TikTok Raka. Show your spider on your face. On your face, on the side, on the side. Ayun. Hindi nakita. On that side, silly boy. You had a good day?
I got one.
Nagpalit.
Right.
Suspect. Okay, we'll eat some
Mommy.
ice cream. What?
I want to like an ice cream.
Okay. What flavor for ate, Zoe? Lemon?
Hindi ko alam. Ay, wala lemon.
Kay mami mo coconut daw.
Ako na. May raspberry.
Pipili talaga yung pinakamalaki. Ate, pinili ang pinakamalaki. Ako din.
Ice cream.
Kayo, you share. What's this one? Ayan, coconut yung kanya. Ang cute. Patingin. Coconut. So, yung akin is grapefruit. Lemon na, di ba? Yeah, 3 flavors lang pala. Mine is grapefruit. Pareho kami ni Zoe.
Yeah.
So,
Ay, ang ganda, parang grapefruit.
nasa grapefruit talaga siya.
Ang cute. Nasa yung coconut, kinakain kaya siya? Edible kaya?
Hindi.
Ha? Hindi.
Bango.
Holy shit. Ano? It is a real coconut shell.
It is a coconut siya.
And it's so cute.
Ito real grapefruit siya.
Oh my god.
Ayan, the taste test.
Taste test.
What? Okay. Sarap.
Ang sarap ah.
Ang sarap nito. So, sorbet siya guys. So, tropical. Ito yung mga gusto kong ice cream.
Sarap.
Sarap, patikim ng coconut.
Nyug talaga siya, guys. Piña colada siya.
Piña colada ba wala to?
Piña colada coconut. Ay, lambot niya, guys.
Oh my god, lasang piña colada talaga.
Yeah.
Sarap. Ang sarap niyan.
Yeah. Meron isang coconut na.
Pero ito masarap din.
Oo.
Ayun yata yung flavor. Isang piña colada. Isang coconut.
I don't know.
Meron pa isang coconut.
Pero kaya pares, kayang flavors.
Meron yung tawag yung lemon din.
Yung mga bata kumakain din. Makikikain siya. Oh, here.
Oh, done.
Hold on na daw siya. Oh, you wanna try this one, baby?
Oh, sit down here. What's your reaction? Is it good?
Is it good?
You do like this.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Again.
Hello, i-share mo pa paano hisi.
Ay, come here, Aing.
Oh, share it. Where's your thumbs up?
Ito showing.
Mommy is Adam.
Ate.
Because we're gonna go to bed after this. It's bedtime. Ay.
At least gonna share them. Na, tabi kayo na. Umusog ka ng konti. Is gonna share the coconut tea.
Let's see if she likes it. This taste it.
Mommy.
So, bali
Like
$19 siya.
You like
So,
it?
parang $2 isa.
Huh? Huh? No? Thumbs down.
Grabe siya, oh!
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
So, ito yung...
Like your friend, how about this one? Try this
Try that
one.
one. Try that one.
It's coconut tea.
Let's see. Which one? Which one?
You like it? Oh, thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up daw.
Talaga?
Sabi mo?
Again, thumbs up. Arlie. Diyos ko. Andiyan ka na naman eh. Para tayo nasa yochi eh. Hindi pa nga kami nakakasubo eh. Diba?
Grabe yung sa Yoche, nauubos niya, no?
Yan, hindi pa ako nakakasubo.
Sorry, konti lang.
Ayan.
Ikaw, grabe ka. Big mouth ka.
Ang cute na ito, oh. You know what is this, baby?
Coconut.
It's a coconut. Yeah, coconut.
Coconut
Nut.
is a jelly.
Thumbs up ulit. Thumbs up in the camera. That's not thumbs up.
This jelly? What was it? Orange.
Ang cute, nasa grapefruit talaga siya.
What's that? What fruit is this one? Mama, show the coconut, Mama.
This one, baby, is
Pili
grape.
ko dito type niya eh.
Yeah,
Pili
grape.
type to.
What's this one? What's this one?
What is this, love? Coconut.
This one,
Ayaw
right
niya. Gusto niya, ngumanga nga siya kay ate niya. Oh.
This one, Raika, what's this one? Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Pumelo na lang.
Sabi niya, grape.
A grapefruit.
Baby, is that a grape? What do you think?
I got a coconut.
A coconut.
Which one you like? Coconut
Or
or the
this
grapefruit? Which one you like?
Which one?
Both.
A with one.
Oh, the
Oh,
grapefruit.
really? Okay, you go there. You go there.